Hale's gonna be watching that warehouse day and night.
Maybe someone can sneak me in, you know? He's a county sheriff. He outranks the local PD, right?
Or you're just gonna stroll out of there with two dead Mexi whores draped over your shoulders.
I'll gut them dead bitches. I'll flush their bellies with bleach. No DNA.
What kind of nasty shit did your mama do to you?
What do you mean?
There's enough ammo in here to give Halliburton a hard-on.
Holy shit.
Jesus Christ. Tape it off. Nobody enters.
Get me the ETA on that forensic team. Mr. Bluebird just flew into a brand new cage.